Hey, what's up, Spore Pioneers holders? So this is very urgent update, my friends, because Spore Pioneers is completely fails down. You can see this time minus 12.04% they fails down. So what's the prediction to upcoming the Spore Pioneers is moving upward or fails down more? And what's the target and what's the update, my friends? Let's see, my friends, to what's going on. Kindly, before I get started video, I request you, my brother, click out the subscribe button. Please subscribe this channel for this type more informative video. I have guaranteed, my friend, if you subscribe this channel, you never lost, my friend, in a crypto market. So kindly subscribe. Alright, so this time, if you can see here, my friend, the last 1 day chart is on the screen. First of all, this is the update. If you can see here, so the last 24-hour change occurred minus 15.48%. They falls down just in only in 14 hour. Alright, so you can see here this time the price is very cheap, my friend, 0.00001 USD dollar, my friend. But the target in the last 1 hour is go to zero, my friend. What's the big reason today goes down, they fails down and they come to zero, my friend? The main reason is that, especially this is the start of month, this is main big reason, my friend, and every cryptocurrencies in the start of month fails down very fastly. So therefore I think the main reason is that, and the second reason is that, my friend, to the short time investor, they're starting selling. Exactly, so the big reason is that they are starting selling. If you cannot hold this, then exactly, my friends, they fail us down. So please kindly hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, Spore Pioneers is moving upward in upcoming time. You can see this time absolutely take a jump, my friend, after a fails. Remember, my friends, to after a fails they also take a good jump. So the good jump is a soon, my friends. Kindly hold it and wait for a good time. Kindly. Alright, let's see. If you have any question about Spore Pioneers, absolutely you ask me in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care. Kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification.